Here is a deeper dive into the scale, engineering, and logistics that define a day of flight operations aboard the Theodore Roosevelt. The term super aircraft carrier is well-deserved for the USS Theodore Roosevelt, a Nimitz-class warship. The flight deck spans 4.5 acres, over 18,000 square meters, with an overall length of 1,092 feet, or 333 meters, longer than the Empire State Building is tall. It displaces over 100,000 tons when fully loaded with aircraft, fuel, and ordnance. The ship is powered by two Westinghouse A4W nuclear reactors. This nuclear power grants it essentially unlimited range and the ability to operate continuously for over 20 years without refueling, giving it unparalleled strategic endurance. The ship's company and the embarked carrier air wing, CVW-11, total approximately 5,500 personnel, essentially a self-contained city at sea. Pressurized steam from the ship's reactors is stored and released in massive cylinders beneath the flight deck. A shuttle attached to the jet's nose gear is propelled forward, accelerating a 50,000-pound or 22,700-kilogram jet from 0 to 165 miles per hour or 265 kilometers per hour in just 2 seconds across a short run of about 300 feet or 91 meters. The pilots experience up to 4 Gs of acceleration. The noise generated is over 130 decibels, making hearing protection a life-or-death necessity for every deck crew member. Landings are often described as controlled crashes, demanding pinpoint precision from the pilot and flawless operation from the deck crew. The incoming jet lowers its tailhook, aiming for one of 4 arresting wires stretched across the deck. If the hook catches a wire, the wire rapidly unspools from a massive hydraulic engine below the deck. This engine smoothly but brutally brings the aircraft to a complete stop from over 140 miles per hour or 225 kilometers per hour in less than 2 seconds over a distance of roughly 320 feet or 98 meters. If the pilot misses all 4 wires, it is called a bolter. The pilot must immediately apply full military power, going from near idle to full throttle, to get airborne again, as the deck is angled to allow them to fly over the jets parked forward of the landing area, preparing for another landing attempt. Managing this continuous high-speed flow of aviation is a feat of logistical genius and protocol known as a High Reliability Organization, HRO. Operations run on a strict 90-minute cycle: launch, wait, recover, wait, launch. This rhythmic pattern allows the crew to clear the deck, spot or position new aircraft, fuel, arm, and prepare for the next wave. The air wing, or CVW-11 or similar, the embarked carrier air wing such as CVW-11, is the striking power. It comprises squadrons of jets like the FA-18E F Super Hornets, strike fighters, EA-18G Growlers, electronic warfare, E-2D Advanced Hawkeyes, airborne early warning, and MH-60 Seahawk helicopters, SAR, and logistics. The primary flight control, also known as the tower or pri-fly, is a glass-enclosed control room led by the air boss, the literal eye of the operation, coordinating every movement of every aircraft in the carrier's airspace and on the deck. The images of the USS Theodore Roosevelt conducting flight operations represent not just the ship, but a highly integrated, self-sustaining weapons system capable of projecting air power anywhere in the world around the clock.